Today, we're going to show you how to take your LinkedIn posts to the next level with the power of ChatGPT. If you want to enhance your engagement, extend your reach, and make a bigger impact on LinkedIn, stay tuned. Let's get started. Coming up with fresh and creative ideas for LinkedIn posts can be tough, but ChatGPT, right here, makes it easier. Let's explore how ChatGPT can inspire you. One way to use ChatGPT is for brainstorming. You can start with a broad question. Let's just say this one right here. What are some innovative post ideas about AI in business? Right here to get a variety of ideas. So, with this, let's see how this goes. So here, ChatGPT responds with several unique and thought-provoking ideas. So here we go. Some of these are quite useful, I might say. Let's take a look at a few of them. There are case studies, success stories of AI implementation in various study industries. My bad, sorry about that. AI in financial services, then AI-powered marketing, AI in supply chain management, and yeah, so with any of these ideas provide a solid foundation for engaging LinkedIn posts. So you can select an idea that resonates with your goals and audience. For instance, if you choose, so let's say, what do you think best suits? Let's go with this one. Ethical AI in business, balancing innovation with responsibility. Right here. If you select any of the ideas, and for instance, I would pick this, then ChatGPT can help you further develop this idea into a comprehensive post. So with this, I can create a prompt altogether with, let's say, provide detailed points for a LinkedIn post on, this is the plot, my topic idea that I selected, which ChatGPT had provided for me that, by the way. So by asking ChatGPT to elaborate, then you can get detailed points and subtopics to cover. This not only saves time, but also ensures your content is rich and engaging. But it all depends on what ChatGPT had generated or structured based on this prompt. So let's see. So here is what ChatGPT structured all together. So with ChatGPT's help right there, you're equipped with a structured outline, that is, or different subtopics and such. So there are key points to discuss and even some data to back up your statements. This makes the content creation process smoother and more efficient. Remember, utilizing ChatGPT for brainstorming not only sparks creativity, but also provides you with a diverse range of ideas to keep your LinkedIn content fresh and impactful. Give it a try and watch your engagement soar. Pretty cool, huh? Let's dive into one of the most critical aspects of your LinkedIn post, the hook. The opening line is your first impression, and it needs to captivate your audience right away. So here's how ChatGPT can help us craft an irresistible hook. To get started, input a prompt right here, like, give me a compelling opening line for a LinkedIn post about ethical AI in business. Let's continue on with the idea that I picked based on what ChatGPT had generated for us. So let's see what the results would be. So here's what ChatGPT had suggested right here. See? This hook is designed to immediately grab attention and spark curiosity. Sounds about good, I might say. An engaging hook like this can make all the difference. It sets the tone for your post and encourages your audience to read more. So let's try another example. Ask ChatGPT right here once again, then put together your prompt here like create a captivating opening line for a post about balancing innovation with responsibility. So once again, let's see how this goes. So this time, this is what ChatGPT had suggested. Another strong hook that immediately draws in your audience. So by using ChatGPT to craft your hooks, you ensure that your LinkedIn posts start with a bang, making your audience eager to read more. Give it a try and see how powerful your opening lines can become. So if you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other ChatGPT nerds like us. To make your LinkedIn posts stand out, incorporating valuable insights and data is crucial. ChatGPT can be a fantastic resource for finding relevant statistics and facts. Let's ask ChatGPT for some data. For instance, you could input right here, like, for my LinkedIn post, provide a statistic about AI's impact on business productivity. So let's see how this goes. Let's see. As you'll see, here's how ChatGPT would respond. So it says, according to a report by Accenture, AI could boost business productivity by up to 40% by 2035. So yeah, including such data in your posts not only adds credibility, but also makes your content more compelling and informative. By adding this statistic to your post, you provide your audience with concrete evidence of AI's benefits, making your argument stronger and more persuasive. So let's try another example. Ask ChatGPT right here in the input box. So here's what I put together. Give me an interesting fact about the future of AI in transparency and accountability. So let's see, based on this prompt, how ChatGPT would respond. So ChatGPT, as you can see right here, here is the fact that it provided for us. So yeah, this kind of insight can make your post incredibly impactful. Using insights and data from ChatGPT, you can elevate your LinkedIn posts, making them not just engaging, but also highly informative. This approach helps you build trust and authority with your audience. Pretty nice. Engagement is key on LinkedIn. The more you can get your audience to interact with your posts, the more visibility and impact you'll have. Let's use ChatGPT once more to craft questions and prompts that invite interaction. Start by asking ChatGPT for engagement ideas. For example, you can input right here saying, suggest an engaging question for a LinkedIn post about AI. Let's see how this would turn out. So here's what ChatGPT suggests. How do you think the integration of AI will reshape the future of your industry in the next 5 years? Share your thoughts and let's discuss the potential opportunities and challenges. So yeah, this type of open-ended question is great because it encourages your audience to share their thoughts and experiences, sparking a conversation. By including such a question in your post, you invite your connections to comment and share their perspectives, increasing the likelihood of engagement. And there you have it. By leveraging ChatGPT, you can create optimized LinkedIn posts that engage and inspire your audience. Give it a try and watch your LinkedIn presence grow.